Today's 2-minute fitness tip, I'm going to talk to you about the difference between a back extension and a hip extension. You've probably seen this machine before, this device, back extension machine, but there is a difference. So a hip extension and a back extension are two different exercises. They're targeting similar muscle groups, but they're not emphasizing the same ones. So with a hip extension, okay, what you're doing is you're actually keeping your back straight. So when you get into this position, first make sure your hips are just off the edge here. You don't want them too far out, otherwise you're gonna put a lot of strain on your quads. But now in this position here, you notice I'm straight right through, and in the hip extension, I'm keeping the back nice and straight. I'm getting as low as I can, okay? Not letting my back bend at the lower part there, just bending from the hips. And then I'm gonna lift myself back up to a vertical position there, okay? Nice and straight. What I want to avoid in this is hyperextending the back, okay? You wanna get full extension, but you don't wanna come up, bend your knees. You're gonna de-emphasize the muscles in the back while you're doing this and the hamstring. Okay, a back extension now, what you're gonna do is you're gonna stay stiff in the hips, but you're going to curl through the vertebrae. So in this one here, the emphasis is a little more through the muscles in the upper back and along the vertebrae as well. So you're still gonna get your hamstrings and your lower back isometrically holding this position, but now you're gonna crunch and come back up. Same thing, don't hyperextend, just get to that straight position, okay, and you're gonna hold that there. So both of them, two different exercises, focus on different muscle groups. Neither is right or wrong or better or worse, it's just what you're targeting. The next one is combining the back extension with the hip extension. So now we're gonna start here, hip extension, coming down, I'm gonna curve, I wanna crunch, I'm gonna try and get my nose right here, and then I'm gonna come back up. Okay, so this one's important, you're not doing too quickly. You want to take it in a controlled manner, right under, crunch, right back up. Okay, so combining those two, it's gonna be a little more difficult than either or the back or hip extension on its own, but great exercises to help improve back strength. If you do have some back pain and you're able to do this pain-free, this is gonna be a great way to strengthen the lower back to help prevent that in the future.